Hello students, this animation is a representation of your performance-based assessment. Okay, I've done a sample of the questions from question 1 to 4. I've provided a sample template. So question 1, I have 3 eggs, which is what you have here, and I gave 2 to John. So that means 2 minus 3 will give 1. That means I'm left with 1 egg. So you draw a picture of my egg, John's egg, the remainder egg for me, and you write the number here, just like I've done here. Okay, all right. So to question 2, John has 4 eggs. Now this question is to expand your knowledge on addition. So John has 4 eggs and John's mom gave him 2 more. This is John's egg, mom's egg. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that means John will have 6 eggs in his basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you draw you're gonna draw a picture of the total egg John has, and you write the numbers as well, just like I've done. So to question 3, Easter is approaching, so I've chosen a question on Easter for you. Okay, so I want you to draw a picture of your Easter plate with eggs. What will your Easter plate look like when you put egg in there? Okay, for me, I have just 1 plate, and these are my Easter eggs. And I want you to tell me how many eggs you have in there. So for me, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I have 9 eggs. This question is subjective. There's no right or wrong answer. It will be based on the number of eggs you put in your plate. You can decide to put 1, 2. Okay, but for me, I've put 9 eggs. Draw your Easter eggs. For this question, you remember our teaching on our curriculum on eating healthy and healthy living. So a classmate of yours, or maybe some of your classmates who missed class, approached you to list some healthy food, and you did list them. So provide the list of healthy food you listed. So this also no right or wrong answer. Just list your healthy food you've listed to your classmates, and then you go online, you get picture of each of the food you've listed, and then you're going to copy and paste the picture, and you write the number, the total number of all the pictures. So for me, for this exercise, as a sample template for you, I listed lettuce, cucumber, and grains. Okay, and I have the picture here, picture of lettuce, cucumber, and grains, and how many? 1, 2, 3. So the total number is 3. Okay, so I hope this template and this example guide you through this performance assessment. If you have question, come see me. Okay, all right, all the best. Bye.